much. Thank you, Corper Toys, for sending me this super cool truck. And it's 4-wheel drive truck. Look how cool it is. Before we start, let me show you these super cool stickers. Hey guys, do you know that on the back, this is made out of plastic and the wheels are made out of rubber? Guys, let me show you something. You see these? These are springs. They're on the front and the back. And it goes like this. And it also goes like this. Side to side. Hey guys, this truck has friction power. That means if you pull it back, it'll go forward. Whoa! Let me show you it one more time. Whoa! See this. Whoa! Let me pull it back. Guys, are you ready? Let's see it. Let's see it. Whoa! Okay, guys, are you ready? Okay. Whoa! Super cool truck. It's super cool. I think I'm gonna have a pretty fun time with it. Big follow on Instagram. Thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Stay sweet, like always. Bye. See you next time on another adventure.